Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem Monopoly Go codes. To redeem Monopoly Go reward codes, first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open up a web browser since redeeming your codes on Monopoly Go application is not possible. Go ahead and open up a web browser on your mobile device or your computer, and in the URL box type in monopolygo.com and search. After you get to the homepage of Monopoly Go on a web browser, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Reward Codes. Now, you can claim your rewards here in the text box. Enter the reward code into the designated field and tap on Go. You will need to sign into your Monopoly Go account, choosing one of the login options in order to redeem your codes. Go ahead and do it right away using your web browser, and once you are done, if the code is valid, the rewards will be automatically added to your Monopoly Go game account. That is how you easily redeem Monopoly Go codes for rewards. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.